Our last stops before reaching Canada were parts of the Olympic National Park and the city of Seattle. Our trip brought us to the south end of the Olympic National Park. We just woke up in the forest. This time the GoPro battery died right at that moment. It was too cold during the night. We started to drive up the loop around the forest. After sleeping in the Olympic forest, we are now at the beach at the Olympic National Park, and I can't wait to feel the sea breeze.
It's cold.
And it's fucking cold. Let's see. We got a bit hungry and started cooking. Looks really good so far. We're making some vegetable sandwich with sourdough. Hopefully it comes out good. I cooked a bit too much, but still it looks a bit like a sandwich. Top, and there's bread underneath, on the bottom, with a lot of ranch sauce and potatoes, zucchini. A bit of everything. Have a good meal.
Enjoy.
Because of heavy storm warnings, we had to turn back and couldn't complete the full loop around the Olympic National Park. The first time that it's a bit raining, we tried to use the window things, don't know the name, but a piece broke up, and yeah, now we need to go to O'Reilly's or to get a separate piece to fix it. Yeah. Now we only have one window cleaner. Yeah, things you need to repair in all cars. Good thing is we found a replacement for 10 bucks. Thanks O'Reilly's. Always super nice. With the gas cap. This one, okay, no, this one has a cap. And I need to figure out how to install it.
And now we're entering Seattle.
Today we are visiting the Pike Food Market, and it has a lot of food. Now we are in the middle of the post alley. It's a bit disgusting because all the walls are covered in chewing gum. Definitely a place where you shouldn't lean on the wall, or you get sticks. We're in an antique store. Maybe we can find a VHS tape to try out if the TV in our van works. It would be cool. Paulita, which one did we find?
This one, the borrower.
Nice. Whee. Let's try it out in the van. Spoiler alert, the VHS didn't quite work out. It got stuck and never came out. We're at the moment close to the border of Canada. We switched the channel and now we're getting some Chinese news stations.
哎呀，太慢不行啊，不会出事儿。在危险驾驶上，我们会是自己最大的敌人。请协助警方做一个有责任感的司机。首先从自己做起，共同保障我们的道路安全。
So we just crossed border from the United States to Canada. It was super easy. I thought it would be more complicated. We got our stamped country number 17, right?
I think so.
17, nice. Thanks Canada for letting us through so easily. It was until now the easiest border crossing I think ever.
They didn't even check our car.
Yeah.
I mean, we just a couple of questions and that was it.
Yeah. And now we're in Canada. Nice. That's it for today's adventure. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to see more, make sure to follow us on this channel and also on our other social media. See you next time somewhere on this planet. Bye!